Facebook question. Recently, you have tried to official A/B test on Facebook on a campaign. Winning factor set as CPM. Winning factor set as CPM. That's a very interesting. Okay. And the factor to compete is visual. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, just to test visual, but you set the winning factor as CPM. That's very interesting. So daily budget equal. Okay. Will this split test let Facebook algo to give you a winner, but slow down actual delivery? Okay, I'm trying to understand. So, okay, or is it really a proper campaign supposedly to give you a normal result? Because it's time around the delivery result volume was low. Okay, now when you have low volume, right, it may not be able to give you a very significant so-called outcome. According to Facebook, you need to have a winner that has a 75% probability of delivering, I mean, giving you the similar result in the future as a winner to go in. So if you're, and you are very interesting, you're testing CPM. Why not test the cost per result, or why not test the cost per, yeah, I mean, CPM is a very interesting, I like what you're thinking, but I do not know what is the outcome. I would say, essentially, you don't want to test something that is not going to get you. Just think about the learning period. If it's not going to complete learning, it's not going to work. Yeah. So this is a very interesting A/B split test. But thanks for bringing this up, GY.